In this video, we'll take you through the setup of your new vívoactive 5 smartwatch and introduce you to some features you're going to love. Now we'll go through adding your favorite tunes to your watch. If you skipped adding a Wi-Fi network during initial device setup, you'll need to add a network now. While in range of your Wi-Fi network, open the Garmin Connect app and select the More icon. Scroll down and tap Garmin Devices. Then select your vívoactive 5. Select Finish Setup, followed by Connect with Wi-Fi. Finally, select Add a Network. Then just select an available network and enter the login details. To connect to your third-party music provider, press the top button to bring up the Activities and Apps menu. Tap Apps. Scroll down and select Connect iQ Store. Scroll down and select Browse. Then scroll down and select Music. A list of third-party music providers will be shown. Select Install to download the app to your vívoactive 5. Bring up the Apps menu again and select the Music icon. Then press and hold the bottom button. Now select your favorite music provider to finish setting up the app and begin syncing music. You can also download content from your own digital music collection to your watch. Start by installing the Garmin Express application onto your computer. Then connect your watch to the computer using the included USB cable. Open Garmin Express. If this is your first time connecting to Garmin Express, choose Add a Device. Garmin Express will find the watch connected to your computer. Follow the on-screen instructions. Then select Music to begin transferring the songs and albums you want. Now, all that's left to do is to pair your headphones. Just bring the headphones within range of your device and enable pairing mode on them. On your watch, hold down the bottom button. Select the Settings icon followed by Music. Then select Headphones. Now select Add New. Finally, select the check mark. Select your headphones to complete the pairing process. Now you're ready to get out there and get moving. Thanks for watching.